Hello and welcome to Owen's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing the Family Fry Deep Fryer. Let's do this. Now when I say family fry, I don't mean you need to be frying up your family. It's actually just because it's so big that you can fry for an entire family. So let's go through the features. Here, this little nozzle, that's where the fat drains out of. Over here is where you adjust the temperature. Now, as I mentioned, it is very large. With a cooking basket, it's large enough again for a whole family, and a total of 8 liters in volume. So you can fry up a lot of things in this. No one's going hungry if you have this thing. No one. Fry up for the whole family. The lid itself has a filter as well, just over here, so that all the fat does not splash out, and a little window for you to see how far your food is coming along. Cleaning it is made easy with this nozzle over here, which drains all the oil after use. There you have it. The Klarstein Family Fry Deep Fryer. Enjoy!